Under his boat.
All right. Captain K escorted me to the
5 pounds of chicken from Publix.
I need chicken. Escorted me to the captain's meeting. We got our bucket, got our number, got our fried chicken for the ride home. Now we're gonna spend 24 hours trying to put bait in a bait cage. And if we can do that, I think we got a chance. So stay tuned. Well, as always, when you're gonna go fish a tournament, you gotta work on your boat first. So today we are gonna replace the Flow Torque hub assembly kit. I typically don't do my own boat maintenance, just to be flat out honest, but my guy did the yearly service and changed everything out, but he didn't have this on him. He's a mobile mechanic. So he sent the link to me and told me I could do it in 5 minutes. So let's hope he's right.
There she goes. You got plenty of grease on there.
Yeah. There's the old one.
Yeah, get it.
Now you gotta get her out, but I'm wondering, this does not look like what I got. This looks like a press-in hub. What you think?
Pound it out and look at it.
I'll be up a creek without a paddle. So I love my mechanic. He's a great guy, but he recommended the wrong hub kit. So I have a press-in hub, not a slip-in hub. I guess there's probably no way he'd even known that really, but thankfully there's a Yamaha dealer literally a mile up the street from my parents' place where we're hanging out for the tournament here. So swung in, they pressed in a new hub for me real quick, and I'm gonna slip that thing back on and get this boat in the water, and hopefully we get a little bait today so we can have a early start tomorrow. Back on track.
Casting out, already got 2 in there. Nice stay on the water. How you feeling, Mommy? Good?
Fish this way. You can't ever let a fish get on your boat and then off your boat.
We hit my super secret bait honey hole here. First hole had some first cast for me and first cast for Caitlin. We got like a stringer full of blue runners, and then they would not hit again for anything. The water is super clear, but it's a little murkier here, so I'm hopeful that's going to help us. But let's see what we can make happen here. This honey hole is so secret that they put a big marker here. All right, babe, I'm gonna need you to step up and put some more blue runners in the boat.
Working on it.
Make it happen. Do something about this windshield that got blown out.
This is not supposed to happen.
All right, let's see if we can make something happen here.
3 nice ones. Ooh! Ooh, that's a nice one. Woo! We got a big one, Dad. That's a big one. What?
This is a monster F. We needed some big ones like that. That's perfect. Oh my gosh.
Maybe just a new sabiki.
So if we have,
See if we can untangle her.
we need one more, Daddy. Oh,
Oh, you got your stringer full. No! Get him in here. Don't you let him get away, Captain. Get him in here. That's like 4 of them. Yeah. Oh, get him in here. Hey, all right. Getting us some blue runners, Reagan? Get him, Reagan, get him. Oh yeah, blue runners, get him in here. Nice. Oh, you big one. That's a perfect one. Good job.
Kind of rough. Yeah.
Good job, Reagan. Just needed somebody with some talent on the reel.
But Papa has talent too.
Well, obviously not as much as Reagan.
Yeah.
I don't think Papa can do a backlog.
Nice job, Reagan. Gotta give them to the bait cage to keep them alive for 12 hours. Worked our butts off getting them all day. Now we just gotta keep them alive. Then put them in front of a giant fish. And there's a couple in here that are perfect, like 12, 14 inches. Out there. Some kind of rubber thing there. All right. When I came out here, it had wrapped around the pole. I had to untie it and throw the rope on it. Oh, shoot. I don't know what the time is. This is time.
Are we blaming it on the amount of margaritas we had, or definitely not?
What's the tide doing? It's dead low.
It looks like it's dead.
No, I think it's good. No, they're in there. All right, the morning has come. 5:15 in the morning. And Lions can be in at 6 o'clock. So everybody needs to get out of bed. Got about a 20-minute run to our hole, so get some kids up. Give her some kisses here, would you? Time to getting ready to go fishing. No. Did you fall off the bed, Ron? You ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
High five. Okay, high five it. Yep, very shiny moon this morning. That'll be good for us. Easier to find our way out of here. It's about 5:40. We're running a little behind, but we're doing all right. It's blowing. Blowing like you can't see them trees. It's too dark.
It's cold outside.
It's chilly, and it is
My legs are
puffing. It's gonna be blowing at least 15 out of the east, which is fine for where we want to fish, but we're ready to roll here. Captain K's helping us get the bait transferred over this morning and some kids transferred in. We're gonna leave that bucket out here for a second, Reagan.
We got two. One in here.
Yeah.
Oh, she's in.
No, we just gotta get the bait from the bait cage into there. All right, we're in the boat. We're rolling, Riley, right?
Yeah.
A little chilly. Very dark, very windy. But we got our bait. It's all in there. Transfer was a little bit dramatic, but we got it done. Next stop will be the Kingfish hole, hopefully. It'll take us about 20 minutes to get there, so about 6:15 arrival on that, and get a bait in the water. I think our best bite chance would be like 6:45, 7:15. That's my goal for being prime fishing. Here we go. All right, we're fishing. One up high out on the outrigger, and one down low, kind of in the prop, what you call the prop wash area. For some reason, that's been where I catch them here lately, right behind the boat, like 50, 60 feet maybe. So we got one there, one kind of far out back. I'm just gonna go with 2 to start with until the sun comes up and I can see where lines are at. And maybe get a couple more. It looks bright, but it's not bright yet.
Yeah, it's not bright at all.
There are a pile of boats here. As you can see them, boy. It is. There must be, I want to say 15 other boats here. It's blowing so bad out of the east that nobody's going offshore, I bet. Unless you really just got a hankering for a spanking. But we're not alone here. Nobody has hooked up that I've seen. But if there's a kingfish here, I don't think he stands a chance. For about an hour and nothing yet. It's not a prime time to get the sun up. Just get going. So who knows? Right here. Not much going on. We're on. Real.
Come on in! Oh, I'm so excited. Come on. Wait, is the hook under the boat or is the fish under the boat?
Under his boat.
Oh, he's doing it for you.
Real. Keep it tight.
That was it.
No! Did it break off on him? Real, fast, real. Don't ever stop reel. It'll swim at you. Sorry, just take a break. Keep your rod bent for a second, okay?
Dad, you should.
Let's go towards this guy's boat. I feel like you're on a freaking prop, man. Reel, I'm gonna come close to you. You keep reeling, okay?
We have a fish on?
I'll try to tell her. Keep line tight.
I'm trying, but
Hey, Riley, stand up and walk around.
I don't think we have it.
I'm off. We're off. God, no. Are you still on or not?
I think it must be on their prop. Based upon what's happening.
And these guys just cut Caitlin off. Ran over line, wrapped it. We got cut off by the boat beside us. It was a big fish. Really, really was not fun to lose that one. But it cussed too much in the video. But we're still hard at it. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Giving it all we can here, as long as we can. Everything's out. Outrigger's going. Mom is ready, getting snacks. Kids are fighting. It's a good day on the water. And we're back. Back with the Luna tuna. Oh. No fish. We had one big one on, and a boat beside us ran it over. So that was our morning bite, and nothing after that. A couple sharks, but outside of that, it was that one kingfish first thing in the morning.
It did not make it into our boat, unfortunately. It is still, I think, in the ocean.
Yep.
So
He lived to eat another day.
it was a really, like, my biggest concern was, is there enough line and is it going to come off the rod?
I was about to spool her. It was a big one.
So,
But,
but that was not actually the concern.
oh well.
Next time.
Next time we won't fish next to a Googan either. Maybe. That's the nicest word I can think of.
That's not what's in the video.
Well, if they subscribe to our channel, I want you on notice right now. Whoever you were, you Googan. When somebody points in front of you and says, hey, my fish is running under your boat, you throw it in neutral. Just real quick, let me get around you. Let me get around you. We can continue the fight.
Okay.
Also, you didn't have to suck all my line into your prop. So whoever you are, you know it. And next time, maybe do it right.
It's super early.
Tell me what happened here.
The fish we never caught. This is the person's motor. We're open super early and the sun had just came up. And Reagan, Rowan. And
That's the
there's
kingfish
fish.
running under their motor.
Yeah. And here's our boat. And Mom's hand coming out.
I feel like I'm gonna keep that that one. That's
Yeah.
a good one. That's a great summary for the weekend right there.
Yep.
I like it.
I'm gonna write in quotations on the back, the fish we never caught.